Good afternoon and welcome to our video tutorial for today. Today we're going to look at PHP comments, what it is, and then what do you do. So, uh, comment is used to tell the server not to execute a part of the code. Don't execute this code. So let me give you an example. You can say, okay, echo this down. A number one. Then let me just break this one. So let me have copy this one and paste it here. I am number two. Now let me load this. Let me load this. So you can see two of those statements. This is the statement number one. This is the statement number two. Now, what if I don't want this statement to, if I don't want the computer, the server to execute this statement? What do? I use what we call comment. So this is what you call the single line comment, double forward slash. So now let's see what happened now. You see that number one is no longer there because I have commented it. So this what this comment is saying is this one don't execute it. Don't execute this one. Now, for instance, if I don't want the tutu to be executed, this one I did is what we call single lines comments. Single line comments. Now, because I only comment on a single line. Now, what if I have more than one line and I don't want them to be executed? So what am I going to do? So I now use my multi-line comments. So double forward slash, then asterisk, then asterisk double forward slash. So with this one now, I'm saying that anything between this one and this one, don't execute it. That is what I'm saying. Now, for instance, now if I comment this, if I load this page again, you can see that these two statement, these two lines did not um, load. So you can see. So that is what the state the this thing the comment. Now the question um, in many leaves is this. Now you don't want this code to be executed. Why do you write it in the first instance? Why do you need to comment it? You don't want this code to be executed. Now there are things there are two reasons why we use comment. The comment is to help you to remind you the code you have written before. Now, in the code, when you are talking of this programming of it, we are talking of a lot of codes. Let me give you this instance. So for instance, now I have quantity of quantity. Okay, now to be equal to like 100, and I have the price to be equal to okay, maybe 100,000. This can be dollar, it can be naira, it can be any currency. So we are just giving an example. Now, if I say, okay, total total is equal to price is equal to quantity multiplied by the price. Now let us echo total. So let us echo this total now and see what it's going to give us. If you echo this total, so you see we have 100,000. So you see this value. Now let us use comment here. Let's have a comment here. And it's okay. Total sales of Maggi in the year 2023. Now you can see. Okay, let me load this. You see, the total sales of Maggi is not here. But whenever you are going through this code, maybe in the future, you remember, oh, this is the total sales. So what I did here was the total sales of Maggi. Okay, this one was the total sales of Maggi. Now you can easily remember why, what this total is for, and why did you write this code. Now, second reason why we need comment was, for instance, another person is going through this code. You now understand that, oh, okay, what the reason for this total is that is the total, this is the total sales of Maggi. So now that is what the comment does. So the comment remind you what you have written before. In case these are a lot of codes, you are writing a lot of codes. Now, and whoever is going to visit this place again, going through this your code, will now understand the reason for this code. Now let me give you another example. For this is for let me have something like income to be equal to maybe 100 plus 300 multiplied by 10 minus 50. Now let's see another scenario that this thing is used. Now for instance, now I don't want this 300 multiplied by 10. I don't want it to be executed, to be part of the execution. Yeah, so to be executed. So what I'm going to do is I'll bring my comment, my double comment. I will comment this one and I'll comment this one. So I comment them now. So what I mean is this: you can only do this one and this one. So that is exactly what happened. So if I should echo income now, sorry, if I should echo income, so let's see what's going to happen. So you can now see. Let me just come. Let me comment this one so that it will not be seen. So you can now see we have 40. So that's exactly what happened now. So from here now you can see we used comment to make sure that this thing um is not seen. So that is why you see 210 minus 50, that is minus 40. That is what you are seeing. But if you decided not to comment on, if you decided to not to even comment anything, so let's see what is going to give us. So let's see what is going to give us. So you cannot see the answer we get if you did not comment it. Now I want you to understand things here. There are two types of comments. There are two types of comment. Types of comment. Types of comment. So we have what we call single line comments. Single line. Single lines. Sorry. single line comment, and multi line comments. So these are two types of comments we have. Now, if you look at all this one we have been doing, this is single lines, this is single lines, this is single line. So because we are commenting, you are saying, okay, this one don't execute it, this one don't execute. We are just doing it based on the single line. Now, if we don't want anything to be executed from here to here. So this is when we use what we call the um, multi-line comment, multi-line comment. So now, let's see now. So how do we use lines? So you bring our double forward slash, then use our asterisk, then asterisk, then forward slash. So you can see that from here to this place now we have commented this. Okay. Don't Please server don't execute anything in between this one, in between this one and this one. Before we say okay, only this line. But now between here, anything in between this one and this one, please don't execute it. So you can see that everything now has been commented out, and we are not executing anything. So that is how the comment works, and this is what is comment, and that is what they do. So thank you for watching. So subscribe for more because we have a lot of it for you. Thank you and God bless you.